Good evening guys, welcome to Trendy channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you guys how to create this crossover flyer design using your Pixellab from scratch. Let's get over to the design. So I'll import the design, the material as usual, and you know how we do it. If you want to get any of this material, ensure you put all the code together. All the code that will be displayed on this place, ensure you put them together and to get your material. So just watch this video from the start to the end, because code will be displayed in different intervals of this video that will enable you to download the material used in this video. So the first thing we'll bring is our image. So let's drop our image here. So I have a course actually for advanced and beginners in the design industry. So if you're struggling with color, struggling with enhancing pictures to use for design, struggling with background manipulation to manipulate a background like this alone is your problem, you can reach out to me. The course is just 5,000 naira and you have your problem being solved. So let me bring the original background, the original design, so that we'll see what we're actually working with. So we'll start with putting in the date and all of that. So we have the time 10 p.m. prompt and the rest. So first of all, let's put in the time. So let me teach you guys how to use this rule. This rule will assist you in terms of alignment, because I noticed that a lot of graphic designers, especially the beginners, have issues with alignment. So okay, sorry, let me bring in the icons. So like I said, all the design, everything used in this design will be links to be dropped that will enable you to download it. So this is the icon. So let me quickly go to our shape. So you can use your hand to size it the way you want it to be, then bring it downwards. So if you're new to this channel talks about flyer design in Pixellab. It helps you to create flyer. Any kind of flyer, birthday flyer, church flyer, any type of flyer, as long as it's with Pixellab, will help you create them. Then just copy. I know I'm doing this first because this is the main thing here. So like I said, don't fast forward any parts of this video, watch it the end so that you get the code to get this material for your next design or for your own personal design actually. So use this place. That will change it to black or leave it as black the way it is, but let's make it more dark. Though I don't want this tutorial to be lengthy, I don't want it to be lengthy at all. So to front, let's bring it to front. Are you seeing? Then all we need to do now is to copy, then go to time. Now did you see how I was able to place my cycle on a straight line? Are you seeing? Using using the ruler tool. let's go. So as we wait to finish this, if you know you want me to make video on anything, please kindly comment on what you want me to make video on, and I will do my best to make that come true. So now let's fill in our dates. So the date, let's just use our normal 31st December, 31st night December 2025. So let's use it like that. You can reduce the size to fit in properly. Then let's choose a perfect font. Multi-Sarat font will be okay. Then let's copy. Time is always 10 p.m. as usual. Then address, let's just take address to the church auditorium. Church auditorium for the address. So let's break it into two. Then we can reduce the size. Now you see, then we'll place it like this. Now to spice it up, I know I'm taking my time to do this video. To spice it up now, we need to bring in other shapes and the rest that will make it not look empty like that. Don't worry, everything used in this video will be made available. All you need is just the code that will enable you to download it. So all we just need is to just bring stuffs like this, turn it to pure white, duplicate it, and do something like this. Then we'll go to eraser and erase the part that we don't need. So let's erase it again. I don't know if you're seeing what I'm doing. Let's just erase this part that we don't need. Then we can make it smaller like this. Are you seeing? Then like that. So just keep on duplicating it till you get a perfect blend. Now you seen how we spice up that place. So now let's bring in the theme. So this is the theme. You see how we're able to bring the theme. This is the theme. So now let's check this flyer. Let's check what we've not added. Okay, the dates. Okay, now first thing, go to your cycle, select a cycle, drop it here. Now follow your line. This is where most of us missed it. Ensure you follow your grade line, that your ruler. So the next thing you have to do now is to reduce the opacity of your cycle. Reduce it to 25 while you lock it. Then go to your, bring in your shape like this. So I'm not the one that did the design. I forgot. I'm not the one that did the design. I saw this design and I decided to recreate it. So big shout out to the original owner of this design. We really appreciate your work, boss. Okay, that's where you need to put your date, and we've already put our dates here. Okay, you can as well put in any information there, like come with anything. So you see now, then we look for a way to bring in our logo. Bring in our logo here, drop it here. Are you seeing now? Then this place now we can enter the name of the church. Then in this cycle now we can put in another details or any other information. So kindly subscribe, share this video with your friends. See you guys in my next tutorial.